Now that we have completed your installation, we can call for a final inspection. We usually cannot call until the day before, and we will not know the time frame until the morning of the inspection. Some mornings we find out that there are several inspections scheduled at the same time and we cannot cover them all. Sometimes an inspection may cancel on us last minute. Sometimes inspectors are very late and we're forced to miss an inspection. Don't worry, no matter what comes up, we will deal with it and make sure that you get a final approval from the city on your installation.
Also, some local inspectors have an opinion on what should be done outside the normal scope of work or regulations. Now, even though we've done tens of thousands of installations, we find it easier to go with the flow rather than arguing. Now, we call this a wild card, but don't worry, we will see it through. Now remember, some items are usually left for the day of inspection, so our technician has something to do while waiting for final approval, and in case anything else is added by the inspector.